Welcome back to this video, and to this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to make one corner round of any shape in Photoshop. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, you are already new to this channel and you find this tutorial useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks about Photoshop. With that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing I need to do is to head over to my toolbar right here. Then I have to make sure I click and hold down. Then I'll make sure I choose rectangle. Then having choose my rectangle, I'll come to the top here. I'll make sure shape is checked. Then I can come here. I'll make sure I change the color to something like blue. Then I'll come to the workspace. I will draw my rectangle like so. Okay, now immediately you draw your rectangle, you're going to see property of the shape from the sidebar in Photoshop, just like what you see on the screen right here. But if you don't see the property of any shape when you draw it in the Photoshop, what you need to do is to simply go to Window, then from Window, straight down like this, property, make sure it's checked. By clicking on this, then you're going to have your property in the sidebar right here. Now, let's see how we can round corner of this particular shape in just one side. For us to do that, first thing we need to do is to make sure that this link right here, we turn it off. Then having turned off the link, next thing we want to do here, we can try to start to round corner the shape from the side right here. So you can use the slide bar, then it's continue like that. So you can increase to continue like this. Then you can continue as much as possible. This is basically depends on how you want your curve to be. Okay. Now, if you're satisfied with this one like so, next thing you can do is to exit from the property and you're good to go. Now, let's take a look at another example like so. I'll come to the layer right here. I'll make a new layer. Then I will draw another shape right here. Then this time around, I'm going to change this color of the shape. So like so, from the property sidebar here, we can simply change to red color like this. Then right here, we can also make sure that we unlink this particular place. When you unlink, then I can come down below right here and make a round corner of this particular shape. Okay, so from the bottom right here, let me just type in 100%, enter like so. So it's going to be reflect. Then another thing, if you are not satisfied with the size right here, I can press Ctrl A just to highlight everything. Let me try 300% like so. Press enter. Take a look at it. It's as simple as that. So if I want to increase it to maybe like 400%, then press enter key on my keyboard like so. So you have it like that. It's as simple as that. So let's come down here and make another new layer and try to make another shape. So like so, I'm going to draw this shape right here. So this time around, I'm going to unfill this particular rectangle. I will come to the property sidebar right here, unfill. Oh, then I have to make sure I add stroke color so we'll be able to see it from the background. For me to add a stroke color, I have to navigate to the stroke color right here like so. Then I can choose this type of color, black color. Then I have to choose the stroke style. I'm going to make it a full stroke. Okay, then alternatively, we can also increase the stroke width like so. So it depends on what exactly you really want to achieve. So like so, I'm satisfied with this. I can make this particular stroke 100% black. So I have to navigate back to the color. I'll make sure I click on here just to bring out the color palette. Then I'll come here and make sure I choose 100% black and click on OK. Now we want to go back to the property right here and to see how we can curve this particular shape. Now we can curve from the bottom right here. I will just come here like so and drag like this. The more you drag, the more the curve is going to be reflected, just like what you see. Then we can come here and make another example like so. I will draw another shape right here from the bottom here. So this one right here, I will also give it another style entirely. I will come to the property like so. I'm going to unfill it. Then I'll come to the shape right here. I'm going to give it this type of dash shape. Then I'll come here. I'll make sure I increase the stroke width. Then I have to make sure I change the stroke color like so. I'll make this on red color. Then I will make sure I reduce the stroke width to something like 7.4 like so. Then we want to see how we can round corner this. So first thing for, make sure the link is checked and it has been unlinked. Then like so, I can come down from the bottom right here to round this curve. Then I can come to the top here and change to, so from the right side, so I can simply make it 100% and press enter key on my keyboard like so. So we have the button to be 155% and we have the other side to be 100% like so. So basically, this is how to round corner of one shape in Photoshop. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks about Photoshop. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.